Hey everyone, I'm Do-It-Yourself Andrew Flockhart, and today I'm making a Polaroid picture hanger. First step in this build was to take apart a pallet. I've got two pieces here. Both are over the 2-foot mark, which is going to be my dimensions for this piece. I'm going to be doing 2 feet by 2 feet. I'm going to be cutting and ripping these pieces into 1.5 inch width pieces, and that's going to be for the border. I just tried to pick a couple of pieces that weren't warped and weren't cracked, and that are going to give me the right length as well as the right width. On my first pass through there, I cut it a little bit wide in order to get a nice clean edge on one side, and then on the subsequent pass, I cut it to the exact width that I was looking for the border. So first I'm going to set my saw at a 45 degrees here. So I want to be capturing that 45-degree angle on the corners. I'm gonna take all my boards. My first cut, I'm just gonna cut 45 so that so I have a 45-degree angle to work with. And then on my next cut on the same board, I'm gonna be measuring out 2 feet and cutting each piece. So I've got all my pieces cut to 45 degrees now, and then I just gotta measure off the other piece, and I'm gonna be cutting 2 feet. So I want to be measuring from the long side all the way to that 2-foot mark, and then I'm going to put a little mark at the 2-foot mark here. So just for consistency reasons here, now that I've got this piece cut, I'm going to be measuring off of that piece for all my remaining boards. So I line them up properly. Make sure they're nice and flush, and then I just draw a line as to where I want to be cutting. What the frame's going to look like now. I've just got to brad nail it all together. I want to make sure that all of these are nice and flush when I brad nail it together. So on the front side, so you're not seeing it. And you can do this with screws, or you can do it with other nails, but I'm going to be using a brad nailer. So there we have it. I have the frame assembled. Got the brad nails in it. I know that this back doesn't look very even, but as long as the front is flush, which it is, then I'm happy. So you're not gonna see the back, so I've measured points every 5 inches. I'm gonna be drilling at each point, and then I've measured those exact points on the exact opposite of those, and then that way the string, when it's hanging across, is going to be nice and even across the whole piece. First, do a once over with this Minwax wood conditioner, and then I'm going to be moving on to this Minwax dark walnut. So I have the frame all stained up now, and I've just started putting the string through. I've just drilled those holes, and then I've just tied knots on the side so that it's not going to slip through. I've got the top piece where I'm going to be hanging it. I'm going to put a nail at the top into the wall, and I'll be able to hang it. And then I've just got the string all the way across to each hole, and I've got it tied on either side. So I've done the top and the 2 so far, and I just have the bottom 2 to go, and then I am completely done. So this was my first Etsy order ever. I'm really stoked about it. I honestly didn't think I'd be at this point, but I'm really excited. And this is going to Cassandra in Connecticut. So I'm gonna be shipping it today, and I hope you get it soon. Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm Do-It-Yourself Andrew Flockhart. And if you like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.